थैंक यू फॉर रेन, थैंक यू फॉर जॉय, थैंक यू फॉर पेन। इसके बाद क्या करना था? बेंडी टाइप का रहता है। दैट इज लाइक ऊपर की तरफ जा रहा है। ये कैसे पहनूं मैं? लाइक ये तो अलग ही है। कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ द कलर द सॉरी this is how the earrings look like once. Allah shit, why I'm so clumsy man.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another haul video from Meesho. So recently I have ordered couple of everyday earrings and couple of them are little heavy also, like occasionally you can wear. I thought to share those earrings with you guys so you can also purchase if you want to or if you like any one of them. And before moving ahead, if you are new to my channel, hi, my name is Mandira. I do create videos about lifestyle, beauty, makeup, fashion and sometimes vlog. So if that is sort of your thing, then please continue watching and also please take a moment and subscribe to my channel. That would mean a lot to me. And with that, without further delay, let's get into the video. So the first one I have ordered, these are little heavy. It is sort of jhumkas, you can say, and I don't know, like it's sort of ethnic earrings, you can say. I love the color. Because of the color only I have bought it, and also the design is quite nice. So this is the first one. It's a sort of sea green color. Look at the color. I love the combination, the sea green, the golden and the little pearl detailing. I absolutely loved it. Though I really do not wear ethnic earrings or jhumkas every day. Even occasionally मैं ज़्यादा पहनती नहीं हूँ, but I really love this and I started wearing a little bit. Like I am always a fan of oxidized jewelries, but not a golden or silver sort of jewelries. But I really love this one. Let me just quickly try. I'll not say like it's too heavy or too light. It's somewhere in middle. Like बहुत ज़्यादा भी heavy नहीं है and बहुत ज़्यादा lightweight भी नहीं है. But it looks so pretty. Look at the color and look at the design. It's sort of Kerala vibe दे रहा है मुझे, पता नहीं क्यों. So this is how it looks like. Okay, I'm not gonna discuss all the price here. I will add that on the screen somewhere so you can check that out. And also I will add the links in the description box below. You can check it from there. That is that. Let's quickly move on to the next one. Next one is also a little heavy one, and heavy one, what I mean by that is like everyday wear नहीं है, but occasionally आप definitely इसको पहन सकते हो. So this is how the earrings look like. लाइट वेट है, पीछे ऐसा गोल्डन कलर का आता है. सो आई विल क्विकली वेयर इट एंड शो यू. इसका जो पीछे का जो डंडी रहता है, सो इट्स लाइक लिटिल वियर्ड, ऐसे ऊपर की तरफ गया है.
कैसे पहनूं मैं इसको? लेट मी ट्राई another one.
Oh, I think ये दोनों का ही. Oh my god. So I think like it will, I cannot wear this one. So look at this guys. इसका जो पीछे जहाँ पे ये लगाते हैं, तो ये थोड़ा ऊपर की तरफ ऐसे खड़ा है. Like I cannot wear it like this, or maybe it's like the problem with this particular product. I'm sure like बाकी product के साथ अगर आप खरीदना चाहते हो तो उसके साथ भी ऐसा होगा. But let's see, I may return it because I can't wear it. This is like weird. But मैं आपको ऐसे पहन के दिखा देती हूँ. This is how it looks like. It's looking very pretty. It's lightweight. You can definitely check this out. They have different other colors available as well, like in red, pink, yellow, cobalt blue. I think white is also there. So yeah, this is this. I have to return it because I can't wear this one. This is weird. So let's quickly move on to the next one. This is also a quite unique design I found. So this is how it looks like. Let me quickly wear it and then show you. Other than that, you won't be able to understand that how it exactly looks like. इसका डिज़ाइन मुझे बड़ा ही यूनिक सा लगा. So this is how it looks like. आपका जो ये बैंड है ना, ये ऊपर की तरफ लगता है यहाँ पे, और ये जो पर्ल्स है ये नीचे ऐसे लटकता है. So it's quite unique and also affordable, like 100 or 150 I think. You can wear it with any outfit, Indian, fusion, western, any. But इसका जो golden है, इसका जो quality है ना, it's not that good, but 150 or 200 में आपको क्या ही मिलेगा. So let's quickly move on to the next one. So this one has come in a one pack. Okay, they have these 3 earrings like this. इट्स अ थ्रेड इयरिंग्स, और ये तीनों एक साथ एक ही पैक में तीनों एक साथ आया था, डिफरेंट डिफरेंट कलर्स. वन इज ग्रीन, पिंक एंड वन इज गोल्डन. सो लेट मी वेयर द ग्रीन वन एंड शो यू. लाइक ऑल द डिजाइंस आर सेम, सो लेट मी वेयर दिस वन. ये एक थ्रेड टाइप का है, नीचे ऐसा नीडल टाइप का दिया हुआ है और इसका जो स्टोन का कलर है ग्रीन है, पिंक है। इसका अलग अलग सेट भी है, लाइक डिफरेंट डिफरेंट कलर्स का स्टोन है एंड एवरी सेट कम्स विथ 3 pieces and definitely choose which one you want to go for. So this is how it looks like. इट लुक्स एलिगेंट ऑल्सो एंड द गोल्डन का जो कलर दिया हुआ ना, इट्स नॉट दैट वो एकदम चीप क्वालिटी का गोल्डन पेंट किया हुआ है। दूर से कोई देखेगा लगेगा कि प्योर गोल्ड का है। ऑल्सो एक ही सेट में आपको 3 pieces मिल रहा है, सो व्हाट एल्स यू वांट। So I really love this one. I'm gonna wear it like everyday basis. I like this kind of jewelries. So let's quickly move on to the next one. इसका पैकेजिंग मैं दिखाती हूँ क्योंकि पैकेजिंग मुझे बहुत क्यूट लगा, जिस हिसाब से इन लोगों ने प्राइस रखा इतना अफोर्डेबल, बट उसके ऊपर इतना अच्छा पैकेजिंग जो बॉक्स आता है ज्वेलरीज का। So see how cute this one. It looks like so elegant and classy. So this is how the earrings look like. मैंने इसको एक दिन पहन भी लिया है, बट इसका जो क्वालिटी है वो उतना कुछ खास नहीं है। मैंने एक ही दिन पहना, मैं पहन के ऑफिस भी चली गई थी इसको पहन के, एंड मुझे इतना कॉम्प्लीमेंट मिला, बट थोड़ा सा ये ना ब्लैक हो गया है। तो या क्वालिटी वाइज इट्स नॉट दैट गुड। लाइक एक बार पहनने के बाद एटलीस्ट 3-4 बार पहनो तो ठीक है, but anyway I don't regret buying it. Yeah, it's cute, it's pretty and yeah, everyday wear है तो आप definitely पहन के कहीं पर भी जा सकते हो। So that's all here. Let's quickly move to the next one. So yeah, this is how the earrings look like. ऐसे वाला same earrings I had it before but I lost it somewhere. This is how it looks like. This looks so stunning. You can wear it with Indian and Western wear, also fusion. I would love to wear it with a turtleneck top or something like that. One thing I would like to mention here, whatever earrings I have ordered, all are in golden shade, right? So once you wear once or twice, possibility is there that सारे जो golden color है that will fade away, because I have tried 2 earrings and उन दोनों का golden color, एक का तो एकदम से ही चला गया. I don't think I can wear it next time, but it's just a disclaimer for you before you invest your 100 rupees or 50 rupees or 200 rupees, no matter, money is money for me. I just wanted to say that. Now it's up to you. So yeah, let's quickly move on to the next one. जो compliment मिला है इस earring से, when guys were giving me compliment like, oh really, is it that good? Like I was shocked. So this is how it looks like. See, so cute. Let me quickly wear it and show you. So this is how it looks like. Don't you think it's elegant, so classy, so pretty? And trust me, this earring has some kind of magic. The moment you wear it, it completely changes the look. It completely brightens up your face to some another level. I just love the design. You can wear it with anything. So this is the last one, and that is all I got from Meesho this time. I hope you really liked and enjoyed this video. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe button. I'm saying this twice in this video, I'm sorry. So yeah, if you like my content, please do give me a follow on Instagram as well. I'm super active there. And also, if you have any video suggestion, if you want me to review something from different websites, please do comment below. I will try to incorporate that in my upcoming videos, and also I will leave couple of discount codes in the description box below. Feel free to use them. And with that, I will see you in my next video. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and bye.